Hi everyone!
Hi everyone!
Welcome back once again.
Welcome back once again.
Okay, so now I'll only talk, okay? Okay. So hi everyone, welcome back once again. So in today's video, my daughter is going to read the words and the sentences, all the 3-letter words and the sentences using the first vowel sound, that is A. So what sound words are we reading today?
A.
Yes. So A sound words is what we are going to be reading. So shall we start reading?
Yes.
Yes. So she is ready to read. So let's go ahead and start reading A sound words.
B A G bag. J A M jam. K A T cat. M A T mat. D A D dad. P A N pan. F A N fan. V A N van. H A T hat. Y A K yak.
So good girl. Let's go to the next page. Yes. So shall we start reading the sentences?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. So start reading the sentences.
Yak has a hat. Matt has a fan. Bag has jam. And Van has a cat. Van has a cat. Dad has jam. Cat has a pan.
Yes, good job. So now let's start reading these words here.
Okay.
Okay. So now say the sound of this.
At.
Start. Go ahead.
B at bat.
Good girl.
F at fat. P at pat. R at rat. T at tat. Tat. V at vat.
V at bat.
V at vat.
Good girl. Next.
Add. D
B at.
B at bad. F at fad. L at lad. P at bad. S at sad. H at had. M had mad. Apple. G cap. G gap. L N nap. Sap. Yap.
Yes, good girl. So now turn the page. Yes, very good. So we have few words over there as well.
Your
Down below.
egg. Mag. Sag. Gag. Rag. Rag.
To egg.
2 egg. Tag. 2 egg. 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 An. An. Ban. Ban. Can. Can. Man. Man. Ran. Ran. Tan. Tan. Now done.
No,
Am. Dam. Ham. 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 Mam. Mam. Ram. Ram. Yam. Yam.
perfect. So let's read these sentences now.
This one? Dad. Dad has a hat. Dad has jam. Dad has a ham. Dad has a ham. Dad has a yam. That's yam. Dad has a map. Dan has a map. Dan has a bat. Dan has a rag. Dan has a rag. Dan has a tap. Dan has a tap. Done. Now this.
Yes.
Sam has a fat cat. Sam has a fan. Sam has a fan. Sam has a rat. Sam has a pad. Sam has a pad. Zach has a mat. Zach has a tag. Zach has a tag. Zach has a rag. Zach has a rag. Zach has a bag. Danny.
Done.
Yeah.
So give a thumbs up now. You all can teach your kids starting 3-letter words, using the as sound words. For example, cat, hat, mat, rat. So these are the very simple words. So you can just start going with the words first. Then later on, slowly you can also introduce the sentences like dad has a hat, cat has a mat. So like that, so you can just go ahead and implement many things, many ideas in, and help your children to read and sound words. And that's about today's video, friends. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please do like the video and share, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'll meet you all in the next video.
Bye.